Our question for politicians today: are new trade deals like the Trans-Pacific Partnership or the Chinese Free Trade Agreement a cause for celebration or a cause for concern?
Australian prosperity has been built on our access to export markets. We must never forget that we've been amongst the wealthiest countries in the world for much of our recent history, based on our ability to access export markets for commodities like wool, gold, iron ore and coal. These new free trade agreements, with increasing emphasis on services, offer an extraordinary platform for future prosperity.
Trade deals like the China Free Trade Agreement and the Trans-Pacific Partnership, which is yet to be signed, are a huge cause for concern for Australians. We don't get to see these trade deals until after they've been signed. Not even members of Parliament get to see them, only the Cabinet. And it's too late to change them at that stage. When they do come to the Parliament, we can't amend them. It's a take it or leave it. And we know in the China Free Trade Agreement there was those investor-state dispute settlement clauses, which is corporates being able to sue the Australian government if we change our laws in a way that restricts their profits. So if we brought in laws, say, to better protect the environment, multinational companies could sue our government for lost profits. It is an absolute corporate takeover of democracy. And the Minister, Andrew Robb, needs to rule out allowing those ISDS clauses in the Trans-Pacific Partnership Agreement. It's not too late to pressure him to do that.
Free trade agreements such as the China Free Trade Agreement and the Trans-Pacific Partnership have the potential to really benefit Australia. Indeed, we know that by opening up market access to Australian goods and services overseas, we'll see businesses thrive and prosper. Of course, like any agreement, the devil is in the detail, and that is why Labor has called for more transparency when it comes to these free trade agreements. This is to ensure that the community and also the Parliament can properly scrutinise and ensure that these agreements are delivering on their promise.